Today on the Outdoor Chef channel, I'm making a delicious chicken drumstick recipe. Let's get started. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 6 to 8 chicken drumsticks. Sear the chicken drumsticks and fry them until they are nicely browned on all sides. One onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic chopped. Saute a little with the chicken drumsticks. Red peppers chopped. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our Outdoor Chef channel. Saute the chicken drumsticks with onions, garlic, and peppers for a while. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our Outdoor Chef channel. Salt to taste. One teaspoon red pepper flakes. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 1 tablespoon tomato paste. 2 tomatoes chopped. Mix all the ingredients well. Cover the lid and cook on low heat for 30 to 40 minutes until the chicken drumsticks are cooked through. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for our Outdoor Chef channel. Half a bunch of parsley, finely chopped. Watching and join our family. You can find different recipes on my channel.